Hey everyone, welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're diving into something that is just completely fascinating and honestly applies to every single one of us. We're looking at the psychological benefits of kindness. Yep, we're unpacking the glow of altruism to figure out the actual measurable science behind why being nice to other people is, secretly, one of the absolutely best things you can do for yourself. So, let's jump right in.
I want you to take a second and really think about this. Think about a time when you helped a friend. You know that warm, happy feeling you get inside? Right? We've literally all been there. Maybe you held the door for a stranger, helped a buddy move a heavy couch, or just listened when someone was having a really tough day. There's this distinct, almost physical sensation that kicks in right after. Well, today, we're going to break down exactly what that feeling actually is.
So, let's start with Section 1, the glow of altruism and the science of kindness.
To really picture this, our source material gives us this awesome character named Sunny. Sunny's this little brain mascot. Now imagine Sunny helping a smaller brain mascot pick up a pile of fallen books. The second Sunny does this completely selfless act, boom, Sunny starts glowing this bright, radiant yellow. It's such a fantastic visual, right? It pairs this simple, everyday nice thing with a super vivid, glowing result. But here's the kicker, that glow, it's not just some cute cartoon animation. It represents something very, very real that's happening inside your own head.
Which brings us to Section 2, happy chemicals and our internal response.
Now what's really interesting here is that this warmth, well, that is your happy chemicals saying thank you. You know that feeling we were just talking about a minute ago? This right here is the eureka moment. That sensation isn't just some abstract poetic idea. It is a literal positive internal response. Your brain is actively releasing this amazing cocktail of neurochemicals as a direct reward for your altruistic behavior. It's basically your biology's way of giving you a massive high five and saying, good job.
So let's break down exactly what the source material is telling us here. First off, supporting a peer actually triggers a positive internal response. You do something good, and your brain instantly reacts. Second, that fuzzy sensation of warmth, that is directly created by your selfless acts. And finally, this means you're unlocking direct psychological benefits. Think about it. You aren't just helping someone pick up their books, you are actively altering your own brain chemistry for the better. That image of sunny glowing yellow is a literal map to these measurable real-world benefits.
All right, moving on to Section 3, the rewards of kindness and emotional well-being.
As you'll see, this all creates a truly brilliant causal loop, mapped out perfectly in 3 simple steps. Step 1, you perform a selfless act. Step 2, that action instantly triggers a happy chemical reaction right up in your brain. And step 3, the end result is a serious enhancement of your own emotional well-being and overall mental state. It's just this incredible feedback loop. Helping others loops directly back around to boost your own psychological health. By stepping up and being a good friend, you are essentially doing preventative maintenance on your own mind. How cool is that?
Let's really lock in this core concept for a second. We're talking about intrinsic rewards, which are defined as the internal positive response and enhanced emotional well-being you gain from just being a supportive friend. Honestly, if you remember nothing else, this is what you should truly take away from this explainer. The real prize of altruism? It isn't a physical reward, or even getting a favor returned down the line. It's this intrinsic boost. Your biology is literally hardwired to reward you with a better mood and a glowing emotional state, just for being a supportive human being.
So I want to leave you with this one final crucial thought. Who will you help today to spark your own happy chemical? Now that you know the actual science behind it and you can visualize that internal glow just like Sunny, you actually have the power to hack your own happiness, all while making the world just a slightly better place for someone else. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. Now go out there and get glowing.